guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Valentine's bar cart decorate with me. I'm pretty sure I did one last year, so I will link that down below. I haven't done a bar cart video in a super long time, probably like April maybe of last year. I don't think I did one in the summer. But I do like to decorate my bar cart for each season and holiday. It just adds a fun little flair to our like sitting and dining room area. I do have a very cute tiered tray now, so we'll be decorating that in this video as well. Something I'm trying to do a better job of is decorate with the items that I have first, and then if I need to fill in little spots here and there, I'll go to Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's to find those little knick-knack home decor items. But I want to use what I have first, and then if we need anything, we can go shopping at a later time. Probably pretty soon here. It's almost the end of January, so I definitely need to go snag those items before they are all gone. But let's get started. I'm first just gonna clear the bar cart, make sure it's all nice and sparkly for its new decorations, and then we'll get decorating. All my Valentine's Day stuff out of the tub. It's right below me. Y'all have like nothing. I even had to go back and look at my Valentine's Day cart last year, and I was like, I really only put that much stuff on it. I feel like just because my Easter was like so full and Christmas was so full, that like this looks empty to me. But I'm gonna try and not go to Home Goods or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So we're just gonna throw everything on. Stop, please. We're gonna throw everything on and then see how it looks. It should be good. I don't know though. Cross your fingers for me. All right, let's get going.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night.
So far, honestly, I'm not thrilled with it. I don't love it, and now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like I didn't love this last year either. So I might run to Home Goods tonight. I'm not sure, but yeah. Next clip might be something totally different than what you're seeing right here, but I just hate how I run out of light so quickly during the winter. It literally makes filming videos so hard, but we're gonna make it work, and I need to go shopping. Okay, we're back. So it's the next day. I did end up going to Hobby Lobby and Home Goods last night with my mom, because I was just not happy with my current Valentine's Day situation. I was going to just completely take out that first part of the video that you just saw. However, that's real life with decorating your home. It's not always going to be perfect and it's gonna take time. And so I felt like I should leave it in there, but I have so many fun, cute new items. I'm gonna show you everything I got first, and then we're gonna go ahead, definitely redecorate that bar cart, child. And then we will do this little area up here. All right, let's get started again.
All night trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too, cause you've been looking at me all night trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
For gnomes, and I saw this one for like Easter, couldn't pass it up. Y'all know how much I love my mugs. And then I saw this and I needed that in my life, so that came home with us too. And then I got this little like spoon rest and a drying rack we needed, but the best find were these two cute candle holders from Hobby Lobby. Where's the price tag? $2.59. They were on the clearance. I can't even believe it. I think this one was $2.59 as well. This was $2.99. Isn't that insane? Like, they're gonna look so cute on my shelves. I will link that video down below where I decorated my shelves, but we have all of these fun items that we can use now. I got some Ray Dunn mugs, again with the gnomes. I got a tray to be able to lift items up off of the cart. I am excited. Reminder, hi baby. For a quick reminder, this is how the bar cart currently looks. And now I'm probably just gonna take everything off and redo it all. I don't think keeping anything on here will be able to help me like see my vision of what I want it to be. So we're just gonna take it all off and start from scratch.
Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
So I moved on to the kitchen little tray that I have. I just got this cute little like mug tree from Target. I think I'm gonna take these off and put my Valentine's Day ones on here. And I wanted to move on to this tray for right now because I'm not sure what I need to use for this first before I finish the bigger tray. So let's get this one done and then we'll probably move back out to the big one.
Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
So I added some of my Valentine's Day mugs on here. So cute, cute. Love them.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel.
Alright you guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my Valentine's Day decorate with me. I think I might do a fun little like DIY Valentine's video. So let me know in the comments down below if I should definitely do that. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me, and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!